YouTube, what's up? It's your boy C-Time Hair Guy.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Yo, what's up? I'm back with another one. This is just gonna be a quick John, real quick. You know what I'm saying? I got shit in my hair. Anyway, a little quick video, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. I'm just here saying what's up, y'all, making sure y'all know that I am still here in the building. I just haven't been putting anything out there. I haven't been doing much to my hair because I just now got a job. I'm about to be moving soon, so I've been busy like trying to get stuff together for the move again. Moving to Washington State, so I'm about to be in the cold, so it's gonna be some new routines I'm gonna have to be doing with my hair since I'm gonna be up north in the cold. So stick around for some of that stuff, so my new routines that I'm gonna find out. I gotta go do some research on what I can do to take care of my hair while, you know, living in a cold environment. But right now I got 5 braids in. Not too crazy. The hair is tied up right now. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's just tied up. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. I'm saying, yeah, that's about it, man. I'm just here to give me an update. I'm about to be moving. Other than that, man, that's it. Like, y'all see the hair? The hair is getting longer still. I really do wish I can get a trim. I can't find anybody who can really trim my hair like the way I want to trim it. I'm not trying to cut too much and I'm not trying to cut too little. I'm trying to, you know, I can't find anyone that really know how to, what is it? Straighten my hair, I guess it is. Flat iron my hair. I'm scared to do that because I'm scared to put heat on my hair. But that's the only way I think I really gotta, trim my hair, but I gotta find somebody that's good with the flat iron before I even go near that type of trim. Or I can do it myself and try to do 2-strand twists and just, you know, clip some ends, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, we'll see what we gotta do, but I really do need a trim. I've been slacking on the trim. I've been telling y'all I need to get a trim and I still haven't gotten a trim. And it's about that time, you know, before it gets too crazy. Beard's growing back. I haven't grown the beard back. Try to see if I can grow it even all the way through, because last time it wasn't even, like under the neck and, you know, the size and all this. But I cut it all off and grown it all back slowly. See what it turns out. But other than that, yo, that's it, yo. I'm about to get up off here. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Y'all keep growing, keep going. God bless. I'm still here. Look out for more content. I will be putting more stuff out as I go along. Right now, it's just a little video saying that I am still here. I ain't going nowhere, y'all. If y'all want to see my hair, what it looks like, and how long it is, let me know. Next time I take my hair out, I can go do it. Because these been in about 2 weeks now. But I'll be taking them out. If y'all want to see what the hair look like, you know, after I take them out. Because I can do these. These are only 5 braids. I'll take them out on video. Let y'all see them. And go ahead and wash my hair. I don't know, man. We'll see. Just let me know if you want to see it or not, man. I got these in for another week, so I mean, if y'all want to, let me know. If not, whatever. I don't give any comments on here anyway, so I'm gonna holla at y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the video. I see I got more people on here. We are moving up, you know, road to 1K. So I appreciate everybody who has subscribed, that's been watching my videos. I appreciate everybody that's been consistently contacting me or like messaging me and commenting. Yo, y'all the real ones that's keeping this thing going. So like I said, we all learning from each other. If y'all want to see more stuff, if y'all want to see me do stuff, if y'all seen something on somebody else's channel, let me know. I'll try it, see, because everybody's hair is different. We'll see the results for my hair, their hair, you know what I'm saying, see what it does. So whatever y'all want to see, just let me know, for real, for real. I mean, that's it. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Peace.